Hi there, this is Stuart Emerson, and welcome to the Virtual Assistant online video training system. Now we're in Passpack again, and this time we're going to focus on password sharing and the sharing of passwords among people, typically in project teams. Now for our virtual assistants, the reason we're in Passpack is that it's one of the best tools and free tools at the entry level to manage your passwords, and what you'll find as you move deeper into virtual assistant work and online work is that you'll have many scores of passwords and very soon hundreds of passwords. So what we're doing in this training is equipping you with the very best tools, and that will help you work faster, be more organized, and deliver with better quality. Alright, let's go to the People's tab, and this is where the password sharing starts. We've got a list of people here, and typically how we get people into the system is just to look to invite them. First we tell them to set up a Passpack account, and then we invite them as part of a handshaking process. So I would then send off the invitation, and ideally Janet would accept that, and then she'd become here in the list of people, just in this listing here. I'm going to stop sharing because I'm near to my limit of my package, and what I would do is just say that Janet came in. I'd begin to start sharing with a number of people I've invited that are part of the project. The next step is to come to our passwords. Let's click on, we've got our favorites here. Now look at our cPanel password. And go on the sharing tab. Now what we see, each line here represents a person that's from the People's tab that have been approved to share passwords. What I can do now for this in each password is approve sharing, and in Roshan case they're more senior, so I'm going to give them view and modify access. Alright, now what we've done is that, what this means is that in Roshan's and Apertomo and Black Sea Factories, in terms of their Passpack account, they'll now see these passwords there. Now when I click on the owner tab, I can see I'm the owner, but for these three others, when they click on the owner tab, they'll see me, if you like, with my account name, that I'm the owner of those passwords. Now typically what will happen in a large project, say a large e-commerce project, you have typical teams of people going in and out of the project, and they need passwords at different times, and they finish with them at different times as well. A good example of way to have a protocol for projects is, say for example, when a team's finished work and you have a exit protocol or debriefing, is to then get any access keys or swipe cards, and then to make sure that their access to individual passwords are shut off, make sure that also that the passwords are actually changed in Passpack and in the system, and then also in the People's tab that sharing is switched off for all those team members that have left. That's a great way to debrief people that have left the project. What we've shown you is a very secure way to share passwords, and then also to have people exiting the project to cut off password access. Why this is really valuable and a great strength in Passpack is that there are still far too many projects that manage passwords through SMS, email, social media, highly unsecure, highly open to hacking, and even the media can become aware of it, and then it becomes expensive and embarrassing. Passpack really nail it in terms of having a secure password sharing process to let people in and also to get them to exit out. I trust you enjoyed this session on Passpack, particularly on password sharing for projects, and Passpack is really so strong in this area of password sharing and then ending password sharing as well. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.